I started.
Okay, so these are sedimentary rocks. This one's called breccia. It's composed, looks like, of various other rocks. Multicolored. It's very hard to pinpoint. But it looks like the overall structure is like a black. And then it's like a little tar glue that holds all the other rocks together.
Okay.
Next is conglomerate. This is more of a more rocky-like structure.
Beige.
Yeah, beige also has other rocks, except these has small rocks, like middle-sized to small-sized rocks around it, attached to it.
Okay.
Next is quartz sandstone.
You can't tell. Yeah.
You can't really tell. It looks very fine.
No, you can tell sand.
It looks
right?
very fine, yeah. It looks sand-like. It's very fine rocks. Definitely something that looks like different sand put together. It's like an orangey color, like a very light
like
orange.
limestone, right? No,
Yeah,
not sand. Like sand.
No. Like
But
sand color, but a little orange.
Yeah.
Like a little burnt, like it's burnt a little. But it's very coarse. I mean, fine. Fine. Okay. Next is Arcos. I don't know if I'm saying it right. This also has fine crystals, fine rocks. It's a little darker.
It's like... No, it's not really. It looks like red, but it's not really.
It sort of feels like this, except this one looks a little coarser. This one looks as fine, as small.
Like that one feels more round.
And then, this one's also more round shaped. This is more pointier. So, yeah.
Next.
40 is Gray Wacky. My favorite.
Like Gabriel.
Like Amy. This one, it sort of has a shape of a rectangular shape, but still has a little bit of still angular corners. It's gray-like. Not much.
It feels like a regular rock, right?
Yeah. It also looks like it's made from like really fine sand, small crystals. But it looks like just one solid rock put together.
Okay.
41. This is slate.
Slate?
Slate. Yeah. Shale. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Shale. Forget that. Shale. Very thin.
You thought it was slate because of the shape, right?
Yeah.
It feels smooth.
It feels smooth.
Like,
it has like a luster to it. I don't really know how to describe how it looks like.
Wait,
but
sorry. Oops. It feels like...
It looks sort of milky in a sort of way.
It kind of feels like... But it feels like chalk in a way.
It feels like chalk.
Or clay. Oh, Alice, I call it clay.
Yeah, clay. Okay. 42. If I can get it out. Okay, got it. Okay. This is rock gypsum.
It kind of looks like gypsum.
It kind of, yeah. I don't even know what that means. Okay, so it's like a pinkish with pink and also a little bit brown to it. Looks like it's compiled different like soil. Definitely looks like there's soil in it with the rock. Really big. Has really angular corners. Doesn't have a defined shape. Yeah. So just know that it's two colors, pink and like a brownish soil color comes off. 43 is Oolithic limestone. I don't really know what's Oolithic about it. But also really angular. That means it doesn't roll far. Doesn't roll a lot to give it that sort of angular shape like we saw with the quartz sandstone. But it's like I don't know, like a grayish color. I don't want to say it's like really unusual color. Also
like
made of different
white gray with...
Yeah. I mean, if you look closely, you see, I don't know. I don't think so.
Focus it. Oh, you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it. Looks like other small rocks with it.
It looks mad clear. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Okay.
44.
44. This is called coquina. I don't know. Probably my Spanish. Coquina. Definitely weird looking. Like.
Oh, this is the one I said looks like Asian Rice Krispies or Rice.
Okay, like Rice Krispies put together. I can see that.
It looks really weird. Like,
yeah, really weird. Something like different
like
shells coming together. Yeah, like something you might find in the ocean. Sort of thing.
Yeah. Like the beach.
Yeah, like at the beach. Definitely a rock you might find at the beach. Sort of. What color would you say? I don't know. It's very unique looking. It's hard to not distinguish this.
It's kind of like beige, right? It looks like the same color as that one, yeah. But a little
similar to 37 to conglomerate, but not much. But it's definitely unique. 45. This is phosphorus limestone. This looks similar to that, except it's different texture.
It has holes.
Looks like rock with lots of holes in it. Looks like there can be fossils inside it.
It kind of looks like a fossil rock.
Yeah, like a fossil. Like looks like it's actually a fossil. different holes. So it could be taken for the copina, but it's just the texture. This looks more like a rock, so it's like more pointy, sharp. Okay. 46. This is micrite. It also kind of looks like the same look
the material.
than was shale, except different color. It has like a milky luster to it. As well.
Does it feel smooth?
Yeah, it does feel smooth, sort of.
It feels like a fake rock or something.
Like like a rubbery kind of rock, really hard rubber rock. And put up a square, so I had fun. Okay, next 47 is chalk. Not your average chalk.
Can you write on it?
I mean, if
you
you
write on it. Try to write on your nail, like on your.
I mean, it looks like at the bottom, it definitely looks like powdery. So you can sort of.
Can you rub it on?
Can you rub it?
A little, not really.
A little.
Oops.
But it looks very like a white grayish in between.
Yeah,
it does feel powdery.
Chalk,
You can feel very fine grain. Feels powdery right by the touch of it. It's very powdery. 48. We're almost done. Is peat. Peat definitely feels really light. Looks like a fake. It doesn't feel like a rock because it's so light. It looks sort of like.
It looks
like something that's burnt.
Yeah.
Sort of way. It looks something
burnt.
Yeah.
Like leftover.
Very black.
When you burn paper.
Yeah, when you
black.
burn something. Yeah, it looks like a lot of that just put together. It feels really light, so it's like a fake rock. And then last but not least, 49A bituminous coal. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's black. It looks kind of shiny, like metallic, sort of outside to it. Light reflects off it. It looks valuable, but it's coal, so it's fake. Also feels very light, so it doesn't feel like a rock. And
we're not doing 49B.
Tune in next video.
We're separated.